This production is brought to you by Philothea Studios.
Hello and welcome. You are about to listen to a short narrative selected from Restoration, a publication of the Madonna House Apostolate. We invite you to listen deeply as the author shares the joys and struggles of living the gospel of Jesus Christ without compromise in today's world.
Prayer is the Key by St. Pope John Paul II. The following is a combination of 3 short excerpts from talks, 2 of them to young people, and 1 a homily given in Argentina in 1987. If you really wish to follow Christ, if you want your love for Him to grow and last, you must be diligent in prayer. This is the key to the vitality of your life in Christ. Without prayer, your faith and your love will die. If you are constant in daily prayer and in attendance at Sunday Mass, your love for Jesus will grow, and your heart will know such joy and deep peace as the world could never give you. Nourish your day with as much prayer as you can, and allowing for moments of particular intimacy with the Lord, whether individually or in a group. Only prolonged contact with Him can transform each of us inwardly into a disciple of His. Only by being nourished by long hours of prayer, meditation, concentration, and silent listening to God will a believer be able to speak to other people about the divine mystery, to hand it on, and to bear witness to it in the presence of others. The Gospel reminds us the need to pray continually and never lose heart. So, every day, devote a little while to conversing with God as proof of the fact that you are sincerely loving Him, for love always seeks to be close to the beloved. This is why prayer must come before everything else. People who do not take this view, who do not put this into practice, cannot plead the excuse of being short on time. What they are is short of love. Dear friend, thank you for listening. Rest assured of the prayers of the Madonna House community for you, our listener. May God bless you and keep you. May God shine His face upon you. And may God give you His peace.